Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a mascara first impressions. First of all, I want you guys to stop and go down and tell me right now if you guys remember when I used to do mascara first impressions literally all the time. Like I would do Maybelline, CoverGirl. Every time there was a new mascara, I would always buy it and do like a first impressions on it. Well, guess what? We're bringing it back, but this time, first impressions on the brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mascara. Now, you guys will have to excuse my voice because I have unfortunately come down with a cold from the burning depths of hell, so I don't really feel all that great today, but I couldn't wait. I really wanted to film this first impressions. This is the first ever Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mascara. You bet your bottom dollar that I got it, and we're gonna be trying it on camera. And we also have a sponsor for today's video. Woo! Everyone give a round of applause for today's sponsor. A video sponsor is brought to you by Dossier Perfumes. Do not know what Dossier is. Basically, they are an online perfume company that has hundreds of different scents inspired by the real, very expensive perfumes on the market. They take the notes from those scents, make it their own, and release scents that are inspired by the real thing. And I think this is just absolutely genius. We can't afford a $400 bottle of, a very high-end perfume, but Dossier on their site probably has something very similar, if not almost identical, I swear to God, for only $29. When you get your box, here is how it comes packaged. It comes in this really nice kind of cardboard box, and when you open it up, it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And I love the idea of this company because all of the scents that I've ever gotten from them smell exactly like the real thing, and I did not spend, $200 on a bottle, $300 on a bottle, you know what I mean? So this is just such a way to go. If you are someone who likes to smell good like myself, if you are someone who likes perfumes, if you are someone who likes high-end perfumes but doesn't like the price, highly recommend that you check Dossier out because they are amazing. So right when you open it up, you get this little sheet right on the top here, and this basically tells you what scent that you got, the notes in it. It also tells you the scent that it was inspired by. So here's the one I'm going to be talking about today. This is Floral Pink Pepper. This is inspired by the Miss Dior by Dior perfume. It tells you the notes that you get, it tells you the concentration, and it tells you just a little bit about how this little box works. So when you open up the box, here's what everything looks like on the inside. You have the full 50 milliliter bottle, and you also have this little guy right here. And this little guy is actually a sample of what is inside the big bottle. So you take the sample out first and you spray that a couple times. If you like the smell of it, you can keep the sample, finish it up, and then once you're done with the sample, you could use the full 50 milliliter bottle. Or if you try the sample and you're like, I don't really like it all that much, you can completely return it, money back guarantee, no questions asked, and they will send you a different one. But this scent smells so sophisticated, so incredibly sexy. So if you guys are interested in getting really nice smelling perfumes for a majorly affordable price, make sure you go down and check the description box where I will have more information and all that good stuff. And thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. If any of you out there have a social media account such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, anything like that, then I'm sure you guys know exactly what mascara I'm talking about. I'm sure you know exactly what it's called, what it looks like. But if you haven't, and you're like, Bree, what are you talking about? What mascara? What Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mascara? This one. This right here is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Proof Mascara. Very ballsy, very risky, very brave. Because not many companies would use a swear word in their product. Like I remember when Better Than Sex came out and people were like, oh my god, they use sex in the name. Okay, that was a lot, but now Jeffree Star is like, hold my fucking tea. Here is what the box looks like. So, okay, this mascara was, I believe, $23, something like that, $23, $25, I can't remember off the top of my head. What I do remember though is that this whole one order that I made on launch day, I paid like around $32 for this mascara, which let me just say is a very pricey, a very expensive mascara, okay? Normally you wouldn't catch me dead spending that much on a mascara, okay? Very rarely will I spend over $11 on a mascara, right? But I really like the outer packaging. I think that is very cute. I really like the eyes. And when you open it up, it just has this like little magnetic clasp here. And when you open it up, here is what the mascara looks like on the inside. So right away, if you are part of the BDSM community or you are a kinky bitch, and you know exactly what this is. So when you take it out of the box, okay, really, really nice box that it comes in. I'm actually gonna keep the box because, I mean, bitch, I spent $32 on this whole entire order. I'm keeping the fucking box, okay? So here's what the mascara looks like when you take it out of the box. It is, it's a lot. So as you can see on the very bottom here is this little flogger moment. Without getting too personal, okay? This works really good. It fucking works, dude. Like, it hurts, okay? But like, in a good way. I am living for the packaging. One thing I don't like about the packaging is the very top here. It kind of looks like an Expo marker. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like and try it on the eyeballs. So I did zoom you guys in pretty darn close because I want you guys to be able to see really up close what this looks like. So we are going to untwist it, okay? So when you untwist it, it's almost like half of the tube is the top of the mascara. Like, I thought it was gonna be like right here where it twisted off, but it was actually this whole thing. So, I mean, that's okay, I guess. Ooh, okay. Here's an up-close view of what the mascara brush looks like. Very unique. It kind of has almost like a swivelly type design slash pattern to it. It's very unique. I don't think I have really seen anything like this before. It's kind of cool. I do like how easy it is to hold right here at the base. Here are my natural eyelashes. I have absolutely nothing on them. No mascara, no primer, nothing like that. I'm gonna start with this eye and we're just gonna go for it. Oh, so this was literally just one dip into the tube here, and that was just going like this 3 times to coat all the lashes. That's pretty good. That looks pretty good. Now, I like my lashes to be a little bit more full, so I will probably be building it up. Let's do the same thing on the bottom lashes as well. Wow, okay. Still one dip. I have not dipped back into the tube at all. It gives enough volume, but it also makes it look still pretty natural, which I'm a fan of. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back in, okay? I'm not gonna swish it around or do anything like that because that's gonna get air in the tube and that's gonna make the formula dry out. So we're not gonna do that, but I'm gonna take one more dip in and we're gonna do this eye. We're gonna do the exact same thing. Just brush, brush, brush. Again, wow. Beautiful, beautiful results, you guys. I'm really liking it. And the brush isn't too big to where you're, you know, poking yourself in the eye. It is a pretty long brush, so, you know, you do have to take that into consideration if you do have like really, really small eyes. Yeah, I like how thin it is because sometimes when like the actual brush is too thick, you know, when you're doing this, you like poke yourself in the eye and it really fucking hurts. So I'm gonna go in and build this up more. I'm not gonna dip back in. I'm gonna take still what's on this brush and I'm going to do what I normally do with my mascara and I'm going to sweep from the top and then come up and sweep up. So the formula does dry pretty quickly. Okay, so now it is looking a little bit more spidery and whatnot, which, I mean, I personally do not mind that look. Here is what this eye looks like compared to this eye. This eye we did the top out. This eye we just did the one coat. So here is kind of the difference there. In order to get them to match, I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. Just gonna start at the base and then go up. Mascara is probably my favorite part of makeup because I feel like it really kind of makes you look alive, you know? When I started this video, I looked a little bit silly, right? Because I didn't have mascara on, whereas now I'm like, hello, I recognize you. Actually does wipe off the eyelid pretty easily, so it has really easy cleanup. Here are what both of the eyes look like. I really like the result. I mean, obviously a mascara is a mascara to a lot of people, but wow, I'm like super, super happy with the results. This reminds me a lot of the L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly. I'm getting a lot of similar vibes with this formula and that formula. As far as like length and stuff goes to my eyelashes, we will have to kind of test it out and see how it wears like throughout the day. And if anything crazy happens, I'll let you guys know, you know, what happens. Okay, so there is definitely a smell to this mascara. I can't exactly like pinpoint what it smells like, but there's definitely a smell to it, and I think it has the kind of smell where you're going to very, very easily know when this is expired, because I wouldn't say this mascara like smells good, but I feel like when it starts to expire, you're gonna know it's expired because I feel like the scent is just gonna get worse and worse. Now, obviously this is in the color black. He only has a black mascara right now, but he has talked about how he is going to be releasing different colors in the future, which I'm personally excited for. I think, especially with today's time where everyone is wearing masks, the only thing you can see is people's eyes, right? So coming out with this mascara at a time like this was actually really genius because all the attention is being brought to your eyes right now. So for him to come out with like different crazy colors in the future, I think it's just gonna boost his sales. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments what you think of my eyelashes. Do you think it looks a little bit too much? Do you think it looks just right? Do you like the mascara? Do you like the vibe of it? Do you like the concept of it? So like I said, if anything, you know, crazy happens, I will update you guys in like a little like, you know, screen card and tell you if like it started flaking or it started to irritate my eyes or it started running down my face. I will update you guys on everything. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. But as the rest of you, I love you guys so very much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah.